Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of Wi-Fi dead zones in your home? Well, get ready to be blown away because I've got something that's going to revolutionize your internet experience. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi router, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's jump right in. The Eero 6 is a game changer when it comes to home Wi-Fi. This sleek little device packs a serious punch, supporting internet plans up to a whopping 900 Mbps. That's lightning fast, folks. But speed isn't the only thing this bad boy has going for it. Coverage is where the Eero 6 really shines. With just one pack, you can blanket up to 1,500 square feet of your home with strong, reliable Wi-Fi. No more running from room to room trying to find a decent signal. Whether you're streaming your favorite show in the living room or working from your home office, you'll have a rock-solid connection. Now, here's where things get really impressive. The Eero 6 can connect over 75 devices simultaneously. That's right, 75. Think about all the gadgets in your home: smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, smart home devices. This router can handle them all without breaking a sweat. But what really sets the Eero 6 apart is its mesh technology. Unlike traditional routers that broadcast from a single point, the Eero 6 creates a mesh network that intelligently routes traffic to ensure the fastest speeds and most reliable connection. And if you need even more coverage, you can easily add more Eero devices to expand your network. Setting up the Eero 6 is a breeze. Just download the Eero app, plug in your router, and follow the simple instructions. Within minutes, you'll be up and running. The app also lets you manage your network, set up parental controls, and even pause the internet when it's time for dinner. Now, let's talk about security. The Eero 6 comes with built-in encryption and automatic updates to keep your network safe from threats. Plus, with Eero Secure, you get advanced security features like content filtering and ad blocking. But don't just take my word for it. Users are raving about the Eero 6. John from California says, "My Wi-Fi has never been faster or more reliable. I can finally stream 4K content without buffering." And Sarah from New York adds, "Setting up the Eero 6 was so easy, even my tech-challenged husband could do it." So, if you're ready to say goodbye to Wi-Fi headaches and hello to seamless connectivity, the Amazon Eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi router is the answer. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's incredibly easy to use. Trust me. Once you experience the Eero 6, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Don't let weak Wi-Fi hold you back any longer. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Eero 6 today. Your future self will thank you. Happy browsing, everyone.